how you get a mini excavator on top of a structure inside of an aircraft hangar at an Air Force base. Got to jackhammer a elevator shaft out, but we didn't have the reach, so we needed to get the machine up above this girder to make sure we had the reach to jackhammer the elevator shaft. As you can see, we've built ourselves a little cribbing platform. Get the machine up to where we needed it to be able to jackhammer the shaft. And we'll jackhammer the shaft on the roof, which is essentially on the 4th floor. And then we'll scoot down to the 3rd floor, 2nd floor, and 1st floor. Do the elevator shaft from top to bottom. No need to comment on my video. I know I am the greatest.